everybody, Mel from Stocksbridge Guitar Tech, coming to you with lesson 11, and today we're going to do two more 7 chords, which were the two I was just playing for you there, B7 and E7. So let's go to a close-up and let's have a look at these chords. We'll start with E7. With this E7, we just take our normal E major chord, which we learned a few lessons back. So just to recap, that's the middle finger on the 5th string 2nd fret, the ring finger on the 4th string 2nd fret, and the index finger on the 3rd string 1st fret. That's E major. And as with the A7 we learned in the last lesson, we just need to add our pinky finger, and we're going to add that to the 3rd fret of the 2nd string, the B string. So we're going to play this D here with the little finger. So we're playing our E major chord, and then we're adding the little finger. So that's all we need to do to make the E major and E7, is just add that pinky finger to the 2nd string at the 3rd fret. So that's E7, very easy. Now the B7, this one's a little bit different. So with this chord, we're only going to play 5 strings. So we're playing from the 5th string downwards. So for this chord, we need to place our middle finger, finger number 2, on the 5th string at the 2nd fret. So that's our root note, our B. Same as the open B. So that's middle finger, fret number 2, 5th string. Then we're going to take our index finger and place that in the 1st fret of the 4th string, the D string. Which gives us a D sharp note. So now we have a B with the 3rd finger in the 2nd fret of the 5th string, and a D sharp with the index finger in the 1st fret of the 4th string. Then we're going to take the ring finger, finger number 3, we're going to place that on the 3rd string at the 2nd fret. So we're playing this A on the G string, there's G, G sharp, A. So now we have then the 2nd string, the B string, we're going to leave open. And finally, the pinky finger we're going to place on the 2nd fret of the high E string, string number 1. Play this F sharp. So once again, middle finger, string 5, fret number 2, index finger, string 4, fret number 1, ring finger, string 3, fret number 2, B string open, and pinky finger, high E string, fret number 2, and all together we have that's the B7 chord. So that's it for today's lesson. 2 more chords for you, B7 and E7. Now you may find the B7 a little bit tricky at first, but just persevere with it. Remember to keep experimenting with your hand position. Use the tips of your fingers, remember, not the pads. Experiment with the guitar position if you're still having problems getting all of these notes to ring out. Just keep changing positions and you will get there eventually. It's just practice and technique. So that's it for today. I'll see you hopefully on lesson number 12, where we're going to learn 2 more open chords, an easy version of an F chord, F major, and an easy version of a B minor. So I hope you'll join me for lesson number 12. That's all for today. As ever, thanks for watching. Please remember to subscribe and click the little bell, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for today.